So let's start with an hopeful story. The story is like not about a machine that replaces humans, but about a new kind of technology that does not want to replace our hearts. It wants to help our heart to grow bigger. So we call it actually quantum AI. So don't worry about that, how quantum AI will work and how quantum computing will connect them. I will just give a few examples that will make us understand that how actually we can build this system. So think about a normal intelligence like a love. So what actually a normal computers think like let's say 1 + 1 = 2, very logical, very fast, but one thing at a time. That means that, as an example, if I take a calculator, I type 1 + 1 and I just press equal sign, I got 2. It's very fast. But think about this happen at a just a single time. So think about if we can do this work like thousands time faster or thousands time together. I mean, in quantum computing, what actually it does is they do many tasks all together. Think about this number. If we want to add billions of number together, what will happen? So we have to give billions of number as an input one by one and one step at a time. But in quantum computing, we can give all these tasks together and we can get the output immediately. So this is actually the power of quantum computing.